how to use MidJourney to create AI art. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with creating AI art with MidJourney. So let's get into it. Now, MidJourney is one of the most powerful tools out there if you want to create AI art. It definitely has the most amount of detail and it's a very powerful AI to use to generate art. So let's get started. Now, to use MidJourney, you do need to have a Discord account if you don't have one already. You can create one via your email address. That is all you have to provide. And once you have created a Discord account, you can get started with MidJourney. Now, once you go onto midjourney.com, you can just click on join the beta at the bottom right. Once you click on join the beta, this will open up a invite to the MidJourney Discord application or to the MidJourney Discord account, and you will just click on accept invite over here. This will open up your Discord invite and you will be led to the Discord MidJourney channel. So this is the Discord MidJourney channel, and you'll be able to see on the left side you have this little navigation panel. And to get started, all you have to do is go into any of the newbie rooms. Whatever says newbies, you can just join that and start creating. Now, before we get into creating, I do need to tell you guys that MidJourney is currently no longer available for free. So MidJourney is only available as a paid application. So you do have to actually subscribe to get MidJourney because of the high demand. They don't provide a free trial anymore. And let's take a look at the MidJourney pricing before we get into the details of MidJourney. So you can just go onto the MidJourney channel, any of these channels, and just type /subscribe. So you're just going to open it from here, and you guys can see I've already subscribed to MidJourney, but if you scroll down, you guys can see the different prices of MidJourney. So it starts at $10 a month, where you have general commercial terms, limited generation, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. So just taking a look at the pricing, it starts at $10 a month, and then $30, and then $60, and if you go with the yearly billing, you can save 20% on MidJourney. Now, how can you get started with creating AI art? Well, once you have subscribed to a plan, I've already subscribed to one, you will head back over to your Discord where you have been added in the MidJourney section. Now, you guys will see multiple different channels in the newbies section, and you can choose to start creating over here. But I have a quick trick for you guys, because in these channels, there are so many people creating art all the time, and these are great places to view the art that people are creating. But sometimes it can get a little difficult to create your own art when you're, constantly flooded with other people's work. So what I like to do is you're going to create a separate channel or a separate server. So on the left side of your screen, you're going to click on add a server. Click on create my own, and you're just going to name it whatever you want, like this. And I'm just going to click on create, and now I have this separate little server over here. Now, what you want to do is you want to go back into your MidJourney section in the MidJourney server and just open up any kind of chat. And then on the right side of your screen, you're going to see the MidJourney bot. You will just click on this bot over here, click on add to server, and then you're going to select your server. So I'm going to select my YouTube tutorial server from here, and then click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to click on authorize. You're going to confirm your identity. And once you have confirmed and it has been authorized, you want to go back into the new server you created. And now you guys can see the MidJourney bot is here. Now, instead of having to work in the newbies section, I can go on ahead and go to the YouTube tutorial into my own server and work with MidJourney over there. So I can just type in / and I have all the information, all the things I would do with MidJourney over here. So you have subscribe, stealth, shows, settings, relax, public, private, suffix, remix. So you can basically do all you want right here in your own private server. So now I can go on ahead and type in /imagine, which is one of the most popular things we're trying to do with MidJourney. And once you type in /imagine, you just enter your prompt over here to generate the AI art that you want. So let's say I want to generate art of a historical image or something. So a historical Egyptian style image of a woman, and I'm just waiting for it to start, and now it will give me 4 different images basically to 4 different images of my prompt. So you guys can see it's generating it, and it is going to take a couple of seconds, a little time to start generating. Now, it has provided me with 4 different variations. It's going to do that with any kind of prompt. You can actually enhance your prompt as you wish, or even create more variations. So now it has provided me with 4 different variations. These are beautiful images, and let's say I really like this one over here. So what I can do is, if I like it as it is, I can click on U4, and this will just enhance the 4th image for me, and I can just download that image. So it's just upscaling the image for me. Or if I want to create more variations of an image, so let's say I like this, but I want a few different angles of this image, or a few different variations of this image, then I can click on V4, and then it will provide me with 4 different similar looking variations of this image. So first I'm going to wait for the upscale, and U4, basically U is upscaling, which is usually what you do when you're satisfied with your image and you just want to download it. So we're just upscaling it, and once the upscale is completed, I will just download the image. So it's just taking its time, and just like that, you guys can see it took around a minute to generate or upscale the image, and now it's provided me this image in HD, and I can just click on open in browser, and then you can see the full image. You can click on save image as, and then you can download your image onto your computer. Now, the next thing you can do with AI, with this amazing AI tool, is if you're not sure how to write a prompt, if you're not really sure how you're supposed to write, then you can even use ChatGPT to actually write a prompt for you. So what I would do is I would ask ChatGPT to provide me with a detailed description. That's what you want to enter. Can you provide me with a detailed description of an image of, and then after that, you're going to enter whatever you're trying to generate the image of. So let's say I want to be a, so can you provide me with a detailed description of an image of a historical English castle looking into the ballroom from a window, and a queen sitting there alone? So it's going to provide me with my description, and that is what it's going to write. You guys can see it is now writing the description for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm just actually going to use this as a prompt, and this is just going to be a great way to enhance your MidJourney images, because the more details you provide in the prompt, the more detailed MidJourney can make your image. So now we're going to go back into our Discord, and we're just going to type in /imagine, and then I'm going to paste my prompt over here like this, and I'm going to remove the first line, a historical English castle, which appears to be set in a lush and expansive countryside, so on and so forth. And if MidJourney has any kinds of errors, you can just ask ChatGPT to summarize this in 5 or 6 lines, and then it's a little easier for MidJourney to generate your image. Obviously, when you're providing with this much detail, it can be a little difficult for the image to be generated, but let's just wait and see what it's going to generate for us, and we're just gonna wait. And these look so amazing because it's just a thought that you have, and you can really get it in a visual form. So you guys can see now it has generated my image, and this really looks like it came out of like a game, a professional game or something, because it's very nice and very effective. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with creating or using MidJourney to generate AI art. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.